Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Just want to say thanks very much for clicking on this video. Today it's an absolutely beautiful day up north here, so had to get out of the office, hop in the car, get the Sea-Doo, head up north, and we're going to do a quick little afternoon, evening-ish run. This time it's going to be along the south shore of Lake Simcoe. So if you remember in our last video we did Cook's Bay. Tonight we're just going to do a quick run along the south shore of Lake Simcoe, see what we see. I have no idea what we're going to get up to. I have no idea what we're going to see. I've never actually gone along the south shore of Lake Simcoe, so it's all new for me. So hopefully you'll come along, enjoy this beautiful day out on the water, and let's just get going. Anyway, let's go. Yeesh, it shelled off here just a little bit too quickly for me. Got about 2 feet. It says on the sounder. Whoops. Well, this, guys, is the ferry that runs from the mainland here across and over to Georgina Island, which is just that landmass that's right over there. So that's Georgina Island, and that's the ferry that gets people there. We made it to our destination for tonight. The entrance into the south Trent Severn Canal from Lake Simcoe. So if you're doing the Trent Severn Canal, this is the section that would lead you towards like Peterborough and all those places. So you would get on here and you would go down that way and you would get towards Lake Ontario, and if you went back up around through to Aurelia, you start making your way to Georgian Bay. One of our trips this summer is going to be all about doing full Trent. I'm hoping to do that video or videos for you guys, so this is just, let's go up here and see how far we can get. It is closed right now because it's still springtime. Plan on opening right now is June 1st, so fingers crossed that happens, so that we can start doing some trips and stuff like that. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. So we've made it to the lock. This is lock 41. It's the first lock you get to once you get out of Lake Simcoe there, heading back south towards Lake Ontario. So we'll be doing a whole trip hopefully about this, so you'll probably see this lock again soon. So but that's pretty much it for tonight. We're gonna head out and call it an evening, so we're gonna rip back to home base and go from there. So thanks a lot for coming along for this adventure. Hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to all the subscribers that come on. Thank you so much, it means a lot. And like I said, we just got some more adventures coming up soon, so stick around for those. Until then, be safe out on the water. Have a great time. All the best. Peace. Something in the water which you guys probably can't see. I'm gonna bet it's garbage. It's garbage. Do your part, folks. Oh, I mean, if you see garbage in the water, please make sure you pick it up. Get rid of it. Better for all of us.